Welcome to Ramya's Learning Center. Today we learn some GK questions. How many days in a week? 7. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday and Saturday. How many months in a year? 12. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November and December. How many days are there in a year? 365 days. How many colors are there in a rainbow? 7 colors: red, orange, green, yellow, blue, violet and indigo. How many letters are there in the English alphabet? 26 letters. When do you see the stars? At night. Body parts GK questions for kids. How many ears do we have? We have 2 ears. How many fingers do we have? We have 10 fingers. How many eyes do we have? We have 2 eyes. How many sense organs do we have? 5 eyes, ears, nose, tongue and skin. Which sense organs do we use to hear? Ears. Which sense organs do we use to taste? Answer: tongue. Which sense organs do we use to smell? Nose. Which organs do we use to see the things? Eyes. Which sense organs helps us to feel? Skin. Next part, fruits and vegetables GK questions. Which fruit is called the king of fruits? Answer: mango. National fruit of India? Answer: mango. National fruit of UAE? Answer: dates. Which fruit does not have any seeds? Answer: banana. Which vegetable is in purple color? Answer: brinjal. What is the taste of lemon? Answer: sour. Which vegetable is called the king of vegetables? Answer: brinjal. Next section is animals, wild and domestic animals GK questions. Which is the tallest animal? Giraffe. Which animal is the king of the jungle? Answer: lion. Which animal is the biggest land animal? Answer: elephant. Which is the fastest animal on the land? Cheetah. Which animal has long neck? Answer: giraffe. Which animal has long trunk? Answer: elephant. Where do the wild animals like to live? Answer: in the jungle. Which animal called the sheep of desert? Answer: camel. Which animal gives us wool? Answer: sheep. Next question is questions about water animals. Which is the biggest fish? Blue whale. Which water animal has 8 legs? Answer: octopus. Which fish is star-shaped? Answer: starfish. Where do frogs live? Frogs live in water and land. Which water animal can jump? Answer: dolphin. Next section is GK questions about birds. Where do the birds live? Birds live in the nest. Which is the biggest bird? Ostrich is the biggest bird. How many legs birds have? 2 legs. National bird of India. Answer: peacock. National bird of UAE. Answer: falcon. Name 2 birds can swim: duck and swan. Which bird catches the fish? Kingfisher. Which bird is called the king of the birds? Eagle. Next section is questions about insects. Which insects gives us honey? Answer: honeybee. Which insect made a web? Answer: spider. Which insect has colorful wings? Butterfly. Which insect glows at night? Answer: firefly. Which insects spread diseases? Houseflies and mosquitoes. Next section is modes of transport. What are the 3 means of transport? Land transport, water transport, and air transport. Which is the fastest means of transport? Airplane. Which vehicle runs on a track? Train. Which vehicle carries sick people? Ambulance. Which vehicles run by manpower? Cycle. What are the different forms of land transport? Road transport and rail transport. Next section is part of the plant questions. Which is the beginning of plant life cycle? Seeds. Which part of the plant is above the soil? Shoot. Which part of the plant is below the soil? Root. Which part of the plant grows first from the seed? Root. Which part of the plant absorbs the sunlight? Leaves. Which part of the plant is colorful and attractive? Flower. Which part of the plant makes food? Leaves. Then next, national symbols of India. National anthem of India. Janagana Mana. National currency of India. Rupees. National flag of India. Tricolor or Tiranga. National fruit of India. Mango. National animal of India. Tiger. National flower of India. Lotus. National bird of India. Peacock. National tree of India. Banyan. Thank you for watching my channel. Please subscribe my channel. You can watch more educational videos. Thank you.